Do you like bubblegum? Do you adore the mouth-watering crunch and flavor explosion? Have you ever wondered how they make this delicious dessert, though? We will take you on a behind-the-scenes tour of the bubble gum manufacturing process today. Every stage of the process will be covered, from the essential materials to the combining and kneading procedure. The fact that bubble gum has a lengthy and illustrious history spanning more than a century may surprise you. Prepare yourself then to discover something new and develop a fresh respect for this delicious treat. This video is for you whether you're a bubble gum enthusiast or want to learn more about how they're made. Now that you're comfortable, let's examine how bubble gum is manufactured. Let's begin with the fundamentals, the components. The four primary ingredients of bubble gum are flavorings, sugar, gum base, and corn syrup. The base of bubble gum is called the gum base. It comprises various natural and artificial elements, including resins, wax, and rubber. These ingredients are combined to create a stretchy, pliable material that can absorb sweetness and flavorings. Sugar comes next. A bubble gum without its distinctive sweetness wouldn't be the same. Although added sugar varies, it typically accounts for about 40% of the gum's overall weight. Another essential ingredient in the creation of bubble gum is corn syrup. It serves as a binding agent, keeping the sugar and gum base together. The gum's texture is also derived from corn syrup, keeping it from getting overly sticky. And lastly, flavorings. There are many different bubble gum flavors, including strawberry, grape, and watermelon. During the production process, these flavors are added to the gum base and sugar mixture. Carefully selected artificial or natural flavorings impart the gum's particular taste. After discussing the fundamentals of the ingredients, let's examine how they combine to form the finished result. After assembling the ingredients, it's time to begin incorporating and kneading. The true magic occurs at this point. First, the gum base is melted and softened in a sizable mixing tank. The mixture is then supplemented with sugar and corn syrup. The components are combined and heated until a cohesive, sticky mixture is formed. The gum is transferred to a kneading machine after mixing, tubbing, and stretching until it creates a smooth, flexible dough. Depending on the gum's intended texture, this process may take 20 minutes to several hours. To make sure the gum has the proper consistency for chewing, kneading is essential. Over-kneading can produce sticky, squishy gum that loses shape, while under-kneading can produce complex, brittle gum. The gum is manually checked to ensure it meets all requirements. Gum manufacturers will test the flavor, elasticity, and texture of a tiny sample. It's ready to proceed to the following phase after they are happy with the outcomes. The gum is the ideal texture, so let's add the taste and colors. The real fun starts when you add color and taste. The flavorings and colors are now applied to the gum base in a different machine. Flavors are available in liquid or powder form and can be synthetic or natural. The gum base is gradually combined with the selected flavors until the flavors are evenly distributed. Food-grade dyes are used to give color. To provide the gum base with the desired color, these dyes are carefully metered and added. To increase its consumer appeal, bubble gum frequently uses vivid colors. After adding flavors and colors, the gum is sent through several rolling machines. These devices flatten the gum into thin sheets, further divided into tiny bits. Depending on the kind and brand of gum being made, the bits of gum might have different sizes and shapes. Certain gums are split into sticks or thin strips, while others are shaped like little balls. It's time to package and prepare the gum for sale now that it has been cut and shaped. The gum is cut into the appropriate shape after it has been rolled out into thin sheets with flavorings and colors applied. Numerous specialized tools, including cutting machines, rollers, and stamping machines, are used in this procedure. Before the gum is imprinted with the appropriate design, the sheets are put through a stamping machine. This could be a pattern exclusive to a particular product or the brand's logo. After that, a set of rollers is used to roll the gum into thin strips. The gum can be made to the appropriate thickness and shape by adjusting these rollers. Lastly, a cutting machine is used to split the gum into individual pieces. Depending on the product being made, this machine may cut the gum into various sizes and shapes. It's time to package and prepare the gum for sale after it has been cut and shaped. To keep the gum fresh and shield it from moisture, it is usually wrapped in foil or wax paper. And that's it. We have demonstrated the entire process of making bubble gum, from mixing and kneading to shaping and cutting. It's time to reward ourselves with some bubble gum and enjoy the delicious, gratifying flavor of our hard work. Essential phases in the production of bubble gum are wrapping and packing. By taking these precautions, you may preserve the gum's flavor and freshness and shield it from harm. We'll examine more closely the bubble gum manufacturing process's wrapping and packaging in this part. To keep the individual gum pieces from clinging to one another and from getting wet, they are first wrapped in wax paper or foil. Most wrapping is done automatically by machines that can wrap thousands of gum pieces in an hour. To guarantee that the gum is wrapped uniformly and securely with the appropriate quantity of foil or paper for each piece, the machines are meticulously calibrated. After wrapping the gum, it's time to put it in a package to sell. There are several ways to package gum, such as blister packs, jars, and bags. For individual pieces of gum, blister packs are a popular option. However, jars and bags are more frequently utilized for larger quantities. With its vivid colors and strong images, the packaging is meant to attract consumers' attention and be visually appealing. Children like bubble gum packaging because it often has entertaining characters and designs. In addition, a lot of businesses sell bubble gum in collector tins with patterns that range from traditional to contemporary and all in between. The gum undergoes one last quality control inspection before being shipped out for sale. This guarantees that the gum is of the most outstanding caliber and complies with all legal and safety requirements. Examining the gum for consistency and flavor, checking the expiration date to ensure it falls within an acceptable range, and evaluating the package for flaws or errors are some examples of quality control checks. Manufacturers not only guarantee the best quality gum, but they also take measures to limit waste and their environmental impact. Many businesses aim to use less packaging without sacrificing the product's safety or quality, and they frequently employ recycled materials for their packaging. To sum up, packing and wrapping are crucial to producing bubble gum. By taking these precautions, you can keep the gum tasting fresh and safe. Every element, from the automated wrapping machines to the visually appealing packaging designs, is meticulously thought out to guarantee that customers receive the most excellent possible product. The bubblegum industry is still growing and innovating because of its dedication to sustainability and high quality. You now understand the complete process of making bubble gum. We hope you found it as fascinating as we did. Every stage in the process is crucial to producing the ideal piece of gum. From the careful selection of ingredients to the laborious mixing and kneading, the addition of flavors and colors, and the final shaping, cutting, wrapping, and packing. Take a moment to appreciate the complex process of making bubble gum the next time you enjoy a piece. It's easy to take for granted the effort and knowledge that goes into generating bubble gum. For many years, bubble gum has been a beloved confection that doesn't seem to go away. There's always something fresh and fascinating to explore thanks to the continuous development of new flavors and innovations. However, a group of committed experts is behind each piece of bubble gum, working tirelessly to deliver the best possible product to you. A team effort requiring talent, knowledge, and attention to detail is required to make bubble gum, from food scientists and chemists to production workers and quality control specialists. Thus, the next time you pop open a piece of bubble gum, stop and consider the labor of love that went into creating it. And never forget that it's more than just a treat. Instead, it's a monument to human creativity and the marvels of contemporary technology. So if this is the end of today's video, do you like it? Kindly give your valuable response in our comment section below, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting and informative videos.